too. I could get you. I think a puppy rolled in the wet grass. Did you? Do you want your blankie? I think we need blankie. Uh-oh, who's that? You want this? You want blankie? This is what happens when it gets nice out. He refuses to come inside. Which is fine. He usually stays outside all the time, but I have to go run errands. You want blankie on? Maddie, say it's blankie season again. Yeah, blankie. Because you roll in the wet grass, we gotta get blankie. And he's just cleaned. Come on. You coming in? You gonna say